In this Vidently review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to easily create high converting videos for all your marketing needs in a way that you probably have never seen before. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Vidently, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link, including a bunch of reseller rights here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new revolutionary software that is designed to engage and sell, total revolution and complete paradigm shift, eye-catching, spectacular videos that attract attention and convert visitors into buyers in 3 simple steps with the world's first automated swipe and snap video creator. So the idea here is that you are swiping and snapping, taking done for you scenes and just putting them together inside of a timeline here. I'm going to show you a full demo of this here in a second so you can see exactly how this works. It says here that you've got 3 simple steps, downloadable desktop software available for PC and Mac, create unlimited videos, no restrictions. You can sell them. They've got a bunch of different fonts, unlimited images, and 200 pre-made scenes for this. So you select your scene, you customize your hotspots with your own text, image, or video, and then you generate or export them onto your computer. Now they've got a demo here on the sales page as well. You can make little short videos and stuff for TikTok and YouTube. You can actually see some real examples right on the sales page. So when you get here, I recommend that you go over and take a look at some of these here. You can actually play them and see what these actually will look like. You can make them even bigger, so you can check those out as well on your own computer. I don't want to play it there because it's not going to do it justice. If you look down here, you can see what people are saying about this. And there are 2 different licenses that you're going to be offered. There's the personal one or the commercial. The commercial one's going to have all these extra things here where you can actually use or sell it to clients. It's going to cost a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick demo explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs and the bundle discount.
I'm about to show you how you can create videos that bring more viewers, generate more leads, and make more sales by simply swiping with your mouse. And yes, you will be able to generate social videos, promo videos, and even sales videos. Plus, all scene templates are already done for you, so you do not need any video creation experience at all. Hi, it's Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you new software called Vidently, which we've been working on for the past 13 months. Vidently is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app, which allows you to generate full-length social and promo videos by simply swiping done-for-you scene templates, snapping them into place, and customizing hotspots. It's that easy. It allows even complete beginners to generate professional videos with just a few simple mouse clicks. Just select done-for-you scene template, swipe it into place, customize hotspots, and it's done. You get 200 ready-made scene templates which allow you to make all kinds of videos by simply swipe and snap. With Vidently, you no longer need a special video tool to create a video or spend hundreds of dollars for a specialty software that takes days to learn. Or even worse, hire an outsourcer and pay thousands of dollars for your next video. A single minute of finished, edited video can easily cost you $300 to $500 or more. Chances are, since you're still watching this video, you know how powerful these videos are. And you're ready to discover how I can help you save money and generate your own videos in just minutes. In fact, I'll even teach you how you can profit from selling these videos. With Vidently, you can generate full-length promo videos, social videos, and even sales videos in minutes by just arranging done-for-you scene templates in the order you want them to play. You no longer need to pay hundreds of dollars for some special software or spend hours and hours of time to create them. Nor do you need any technical experience to generate these amazing videos. Here's how easy Vidently is to use. Step 1. Select scene templates and swipe them into place. Step 2. Customize hotspots with your own text, image, or video. Step 3. Generate. That's it. Those 3 steps will have you generating your next eye-catching video in minutes. These videos are proven to help you increase engagement, generate more leads, and boost sales. And the best part? With the commercial license, you can generate as many videos as you want. Plus, you can even sell them and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine just taking minutes to generate these videos for your potential clients, or becoming a freelance video creator on popular sites like Upwork or freelancer.com, and selling videos for $300 to $500 or more. Vidently was designed to help you get on the cutting edge of video animation by producing stunning, jaw-dropping videos, just like the one you're watching right now. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such an amazing video is to create, so let's jump right in. All right, here we are in the Vidently desktop software, available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and laid out Vidently is. Okay, let's start with the first of 2 mini demos. All right, so in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion video. We'll start by adding a scene template. Then we will use the bottom slider to move to a part we want to customize. Here you will notice 3 text placeholders. Let's edit each by clicking on the text hotspot and entering a new text. Here, here, and here. Good. Now let's click on the video hotspot and add a video, like this. Cool. Now let's add a second scene template. Click on the newly added scene, then move to the part we want to customize. Add a background image. Add a video. Then reposition the video. Looks good. Okay, let's add a nice transition between the current 2 scenes. Then add a third scene template, like that. Now click on the new scene, drag the slider bar again to where we want to edit, then add a video right here. And final step, add a transition between the second and third scene. Good. And now that we're done, let's take a look at what we've just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you how easy it is to make powerful, mind-blowing full-motion videos with Vidently. Okay, let's jump into the second mini demo. Okay, the final mini demo is for a promo video. Let's start by adding an animation scene. Then another one. And then one more. You'll notice that it builds a timeline. If you check the Show Scene preview here, and then if you click on each scene like this, you'll see a preview appear on each one accordingly. Now let's edit each scene, simply by clicking on the scene and dragging the bottom slider bar to the point we want to edit. You'll see hotspots for text, images, and videos appearing on the stage. To edit these, just click on their corresponding hotspots. Let's click on the text hotspot. As you can see here, we can change the words, text font, style, size, and color. Cool, right? Let's just change the text for now and click OK. Now let's add an image like this. Click on the image hotspot and select an image. Perfect. You can also adjust the image size here, like this. On the left side here, you can see multiple layers corresponding to each text, image, and video on the stage. You can hide or show each of those here, or remove them from the stage. Okay, let's jump further. Click on the second scene and add a background video this time. Let's see. This one's perfect. Let's check how it looks. Good. Now to the last one. We'll just add a new logo here. Okay, great. Now for the final part, let's add some cool transitions between the scenes. Here, here, and preview time. Boom. That's it. Right in front of you, you can see how easy it is to make a powerful, highly engaging promo video. Just like you saw me build it in front of your eyes in a bit over a minute, anyone can do it, simply by selecting and filling in the blanks. Simple, easy to use, and no tech skills required. As you just saw, in minutes, you can have a perfect video like this. Vidently is an easy-to-use yet very powerful desktop app that anyone can use. Today, I'm excited to be releasing Vidently to the world. With 2 amazing license options, you can create any video in 3 simple steps. You can select a personal license and generate as many videos as you want. Or you can get the popular commercial license to generate videos for yourself and sell these videos to potential clients, and keep 100% of the profits. Vidently comes with everything you need to get started in generating eye-catching, jaw-dropping, attention-getting videos in minutes. And there are no restrictions. No experience or technical skills necessary. And you can even sell these videos to your clients and start profiting hundreds of dollars. Or you can use them to attract and engage leads and make sales. We're going to give you instant access to the software you just saw in this demo. Plus, we're going to load it up with tons of extras. On top of the Vidently software you just watched in the demo, we're going to give you a full suite of creative assets with the software. You'll get 200 pre-done scene templates that are customizable with your content, like texts, images, videos, colors, and more. 100 full HD background videos to help make your videos richer. Access to over 300 plus fonts. We'll even give you all scene templates from which the very video you are watching right now is generated from. Plus, step-by-step tutorials so you'll never get lost. And last but not least, we'll give you access to our closed-door community of thousands of video creators just like yourself to help you get feedback and get access to like-minded users. All the details are below. Simply click on the Get Vidently button below and get your copy of the newest desktop software that makes highly engaging, professional videos in a matter of minutes. Download your copy of Vidently today, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh, and of course, you are fully protected by our no questions asked 14-day promise. We are so extremely confident you'll love Vidently that we'll let you take it for a full 14-day test drive. And if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love Vidently. So go ahead. The button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. We really look forward to seeing the videos that you can create, helping you capture, engage, and get more leads and make more sales. Lucky for you, Vidently is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Grab your copy of Vidently today. We'll see you on the other side.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the first OTO that you're going to see here. It's 700 premium transitions that they're going to add into this for you. So if you want to make it so that your videos are like transitioning nicely, it's up to you if you want to add that in here. But this is an optional upgrade for you. The next one here, it says bring your videos to the next level with the Source Club. So this is going to give you even more source content for your videos here. And this one is going to cost you, it depends upon which one you get. But if you want the 4,800 sources, it's $197. Next one here is the agency license. You get 4 more Vidently licenses, and you can actually go out there and make it like have people working for you and doing your work for you, doing your videos for you. Next one here is you can create stop motion videos. So these are just an extra software here for this one. Then they've got the last one is a video player that you can actually put your videos in. It will play it for you. Now, if you go through the sales funnel, that's what that's going to look like. So if you click on one of these links here on my bonus page, that's going to take you to. But if you click on the purple one, that will take you over to the bundle discount. Now the bundle discount is going to give you everything that you've seen here, all the front end offer and all the OTOs for a big discounted price here. So you can use the coupon code Vidently Bundle 50 off, get a $50 discount off that as well. And get this for a much lower price than if you were going to go through that sales funnel and do it that way there. So you can check both of those out. Check out the one that takes you through the normal sales funnel. Check out the bundle one. Of course, it's up to you if you want to do the normal one or if you want to do the bundle. Okay, so what do I like about Vidently and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you're looking for a cloud-based software, then this isn't going to be the right thing for you. You will need to learn a new software. You will need to have to go through tutorials and stuff to learn this, so just be aware of that. What do I like about this? This is a neat idea in the fact that it's built for people that aren't looking for a video software that's going to have tons and tons of features that you're going to have to spend hours and hours to learn. If you just want something that's like drag and drop, just like put it into the timeline and edit what you need to edit, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Vidently, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.